Hi,
Hello there.
how are you doing today?
I'm doing well. And you?
Good, thanks.
What's your name?
John. And yours?
I'm Maria. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
So, where are you from, John?
I'm from Canada. You?
Spain.
Wow, Spain is beautiful.
And I really like Canada.
Have you ever visited?
Yes, I went to Toronto once.
What do you do for work?
I'm a blogger, mostly travel and food.
That sounds fun.
And you?
I work in IT. I repair computers.
Oh, that's useful. People always need help with that.
True, technology never rests.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, especially helping people solve problems.
That's a good quality.
What about blogging? What do you enjoy most?
Traveling, seeing new places, meeting new people.
Sounds exciting.
It is, but tiring too.
Do you travel often?
Quite a lot. That's why I don't have pets.
I have a dog, Max.
Aw, that's cute. Dogs bring joy.
Yes, he keeps me active.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
A small house with a garden. I love gardening.
That sounds peaceful.
And you?
I live in an apartment near a park. Cozy and quiet.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, quite big. 2 sisters, 3 brothers.
Wow.
And you?
Small family. Just my parents and my sister.
Where does she live?
She studies in another city. We miss her.
Siblings always leave a gap when they move.
True. Are you married or single?
Single. And you?
Single too.
Do you want kids someday?
Maybe. One day.
Same here.
Do you use social media?
Yes, Instagram, at Maria Travels.
Mine is @JohnBikes.
Perfect. I'll follow you.
And I'll follow you back.
Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes, I do.
My number is 12345-67890.
Mine is 987-654-3210.
I work from home, so no traveling for work.
That's convenient.
What's your best quality?
I'm a good listener. You?
I'm patient.
And something you want to improve?
I trust people too quickly.
I make decisions too fast.
Balance is everything.
Absolutely.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read a lot. You?
I love books. They feel like friends.
They really do.
Do you enjoy traveling?
I love it.
Last place you visited?
The mountains. Beautiful.
I just visited the beach. So relaxing.
Mountains or beach? Your favorite?
Hard to choose. Both are special.
True.
Are you an early bird or a night owl?
Early bird. I love mornings.
I'm a night owl. I enjoy the quiet.
Opposites attract, they say.
Maybe they do.